Okay. We're back. Hi, everybody. How you doing? Welcome to the final hour of trading here, Friday, March the 10th, 2023. We're watching the final 60 minutes come through here to see how this market is going to close up. We have options expiring today. We have a lot going on. Since I last saw you, the SVB, the Silicon Valley Bank, has basically closed shop. What's basically happened is that the banking authority has stepped in and has basically taken over the bank, and they'll reopen on Monday. And depositors with up to $250,000 have nothing to fear, nothing to worry about. Everything's fine. All banking operations will resume on Monday for SV Bank, but shareholders are pretty well wiped out. The company was not able to attract capital to offset its deficit, and they were slow. They were slow to get off the mark when it came to the higher interest rate environment, and they should have raised capital like 6 months ago when rates hit 2-3%. They didn't do it, and they tried to raise or attempted to raise money overnight, but it was too far, too gone, too many deposits, too many withdrawals from some of their larger accounts, and it's technically made them insolvent. And surprise, surprise, they're the owners of that entity are no longer owners of any entity. That's what's going on there. That shook the market up a little bit, got the stock market wondering, oh, there are others. By the way, SoFi is not in trouble. I'm just saying. Bank stocks have declined somewhat today, but they're now recovering again. This is sort of a shock, but the end of the day, the market took a spill after that came out, but the Dow dropped about 500 odd points, and that was about it. Now it's down 250. The low of the day on the Dow is 31,783. It's now 32,000. So 217 points of recovery here have come through so far, and the high of the day was around just after 11:30 this morning. We got to 32,400. So we went from 32,400 to 31,700. So there was a 600 point drop off from being plus to the minus. And at the moment now we're off 276-ish. We're down 45 on the S&P, and NASDAQ down 168. NASDAQ was down over 2% today. It's down 1.48 now. S&P down 1.1. The Dow's only down 0.87. It's not even 1% for the Dow. So this drop off seems to have kind of come and gone, and we'll see if this market wants to sort of chisel back to the break-even line by the time it's all said and done. I don't know. I've talked to you about this a few days in a row now about how we were backing off. We were getting this interest rate news. We had Powell speak Tuesday and Wednesday. Down went the markets. Couldn't get an update going to yesterday, and now there's a little more follow through, and this bank thing just kind of nudged it over the edge a little bit. Now we'll see how things stabilize from here. That is what I see happening at the moment. We'll figure it out as we move on. Let's see. What else going on here? Looking forward to your JR. Oh yeah, wood artisan not a lurker anymore. And if things keep going, we'll definitely the end of the month to join, replacing income from my day job that I was laid off from due to bankruptcy. About 75% there. Right on. Way to go, pal. Keep it coming. Noto bought more today, says Stephen Jackson on the SoFi shares that are trading out there. Right on. Good stuff, everybody. Keep it going. Thank you, Mr. Noto, and I'm not surprised to see him buying more. Just not surprised at all. Okay, 261 is the down dip on the Dow. Let me again welcome you all to the channel, the show. Glad you're here. Going to go to member-only comment at the moment. Please become a member ASAP if you can, and we love having you here. Let's see if we can make this work here. Here we are. Customization. There we go, and we're there. We are there. Okay. Welcome one, welcome all to the to the channel and the afternoon session. Thank you for the 51 thumbs ups already. Fantastic. Very, very good. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, this First Republic Bank that we were talking about this morning. First Republic Bank was as low as $45 for like a microsecond this morning, and then it shot up to the 90s, and it shot back down again to the 70s. Now it's at 83.59. It's only down $12 on the day. So it has had quite a recovery here. 42.9 million traded when it normally trades 1 point something million, and everything seems to be calming down over there, I guess is the way to say it. And SVB financial bonds sink to 31 cents on the dollar as Silicon Bank fails. That can happen. There will be asset allocations later when they figure it all out, if any. So we'll see. SoFi is back to 544. Got down today to 521, but SoFi is now back to 544. Volume on SoFi today, as you would expect, would be heavy. 69.6 million, not the highest day of all time. This is, it's a very active day today for SoFi, of course, but it's not anything like we've seen in the past on other days. When we had that big up day after the last earnings, we were over 100 million volume. Interesting to watch that. 521 was the low. 592 was the high first thing this morning. And we're now at 544, down 65 cents at this moment in time. Other shares that we watch, GameStop, 1720, down 32. Tesla is up 159, holding a gain there, 174.51. Apple is down 236. Unity Software down 65 cents. It had been lower. Unity got down to 26.36. It's come back like 80 plus cents from its low of the session. HPQ down 39 cents. It's recovered up quite a bit. ATIP is still at 28.2 cents, though down 2.5 today. Google down 119 at 91.48. Moderna is up 65 cents, holding at 138.01. Cisco's down 26 cents. Pfizer is up a penny. IBM down 7 cents. Microsoft is down $3 a share. 23andMe is unchanged. Matterport down 12 cents. Sixter's down a dime. Rocket Lab is off 16 cents. SmartRent's down 17.5. Spire's unchanged. Bed Bath Beyond is down 2.5. Amazon down 129. Home Depot down 77 cents. Netflix down 650 to 291. Vanek Semiconductors down 340. Adobe down 740. Goldman is having a rough day. It's down $13 today to 328. The high today was 339 around 11 o'clock. Then the news came out about Silicon Valley Bank, and it dropped down to 327, now at 328, 329. On Boeing, we're up 90 cents. Meta, the old Facebook, down 143. The AMC and APE shares combined are down 39.5 cents right now. Royal Caribbean down 123 to 67.02. Target down 173. JP Morgan's been up all day, up 283. Investment bank doing well. Costco down $9 to 470. Walmart down 20 cents. Disney down 285 to 93.29. Nvidia down 487. And American Airlines 15.44, down 44 cents on the session. And that is where we're at right here. The Dow, as I say, is now showing, I'm double checking. It might indicate 300. Let me double check on that. And let's see if I can make this work here and here. We are down, I think we're down 282-ish, 273. I'm not sure if my phone is correct or if my big S iPad is correct. I'm going to go with my big S iPad because my phone has been wonky. First Republic is sitting at is 84.91, down $11. FAA is clearing Boeing to resume deliveries of the 787 Dreamliner after a weeks-long pause at the moment, and so that's good news for Boeing. That might move Boeing shares a little bit here. Let me just double check. Yeah, Boeing is up 148 right now, so it is reacted. May have reacted a little while ago. So that's better news for that company. Yeah, it was down to 197.80 at the low here about an hour ago, and now the stock is at 202.84, going for a 203 price. So it looks like a $5 gain from the low of the session on Boeing. High of the day was 205 or so. Don't mind me here as I'm trying to get my phone to cooperate. Okay, we're down 259 on the Dow, 43 on S&P. We're down 168 on Nasdaq. Oil is up 83 cents to 76.53. All right, there we go. That is the latest over there. As far as interest rates go and all that, the U.S. Treasury 3.69%. It's actually lower on the day. U.S. dollar has lost ground against the euro and the pound today, giving a little back of the gain that it got the other day. The VIX is definitely higher. The volatility index is gaining another 9% to 2468, and so that's gone from that 18-19 range now to the 24 range. So there's some concern on Wall Street about what's been happening today. That's what's going on. Let's see. Interesting. Charlie, thank you for this message. Appreciate it, buddy. I will read into that. Looks like Noto bought more stock on SoFi. So right on. Let me get back to here. Thank you for the 68 thumbs ups now. Excellent. All righty. Where am I here on messages? Where am I? Here we go. Okay. Let's go. Good afternoon, everybody. Hello. People saying hi to everybody, and appreciate this. Folks picking up some cheap SoFi today. Good move. Christina was able to get 100 SoFi for $5.24 today. Right on. Zach is saying that First Republic Bank is a mid-sized local bank in Northern California. As far as I know, they're owned by Bank of America. I don't know anything about them. I don't follow these small regionals, unless I absolutely have to. Anyway. Okay. Flynn Creek is saying, Dad, yes, the architect is moving here. He said he doesn't know anything about covered calls. I said he's about to learn. Happy he's showing some interest now. Go SoFi. My arms are crossed. Samuel, my SoFi average is $6. I wrote a few at $4 premium and $2 strike, and bought GameStop 1688 and wrote more. Hector, Uncle Bruce, the 1 week profit on the SoFi long calls, I bought back for 700 Canadian. Right on. Samuel also bought SoFi at $5.59. DQ is number 65 on a thumbs up meter. Did Uncle Bruce announce what the new class will be about? Oh, no, nothing yet. Announcement coming. Announcement is still coming. Big news coming today that I'll release a little later on about the channel. We're down 229 on the Dow, improving. GameStop down 18 cents at 17.34 now. The First Republic Bank is only down 9.79 at 86.22. It's coming back on. SoFi at 5.50, down 59 cents. So SoFi's picking up some ground here. Tesla up 205, Apple down 195, and Unity Software down 52 cents at 27.36. Unity's recovering. Apple's getting a little better. Tesla's climbing. SoFi's climbing. First Republic is climbing. GameStop is climbing. They're all going higher. Google is coming on a bit. It's still down 112. Moderna is at 110. Cisco is only down 17. It's coming on. Pfizer is green, up 12. IBM turned green, up 4. Microsoft is turning around, but still down 280. Got a ways to go yet. Rocket Lab is climbing, but it's got a long way to go. It's still down 13 cents. And Matterport climbed a little bit to be within a dime of break even. Over at Bed Bath Beyond, it has gone green, 0.2 of a penny, but it just reached the break-even line. Amazon is on a turnaround. It's only down 92 cents. Home Depot is green, up 13 cents. So these markets are climbing right now on a lot of these issues. Boeing, as I said earlier, is definitely up. It's now at 203, up $2. And let's see, just some other big names here. Target is coming back. It's only down 130. JP Morgan climbing higher, 353 on the upside. Costco recovering a bit, but still down 770. Walmart has gone green, up 23 cents. Disney's coming back, still down 230 though. So we're noticing this pattern here where the Dow and these stocks have been. They came off at this 2 in the afternoon range, and now we've been having an upsurge here, with now 46 minutes to go. Don't forget, options are expiring today, and so there's a lot of adjusting going on. It is one of those days. Indeed, it is one of those days. Rolo, Uncle Bruce made some quick cash on 5 GameStops that I wrote for March 24. I went out pretty far out, wrote 5 GameStops for Jan 24, 1875. So I got $430 each on those. Right on. Nice going. And then, I meant 1775, 1975. Maybe I'll get assigned in the near future. I don't know, but you're in the, if you're in the money, you're in the money. 1735 is the stock price now, down 17 cents. Definitely improving. GameStop is definitely coming on. Christina, Uncle Bruce, I ended up getting 1,000 SoFi today. I had to make some risky moves to do it, though. Hawkeye is number 75 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you, Hawkeye, for that. Appreciate it. We are, down 978 on that First Republic at 86.23, looking better. SoFi now 550, down 59. GameStop 1735. The volume on GameStop today is, let's see if it wants to give this to me, 2.1 million today, it looks like, volume on GameStop. SoFi volume now at 550. Last is 69.6 million. 71.5, pardon me, just updated. 71.5 on SoFi. GameStop again, 2.16 million volume on the session. And Apple still down 204. Unity is at down 70 at 27.18. HBQ down 40 at the moment. On ATIP, the volume today, let's see, it is 395,000 at 28.6 with a low of 26.7. So there's been a bit of a bounce back there, but not a heck of a lot. I have no news on ATIP that I can refer to you or relate to you at this point, because it is not, no one's paying attention to ATIP today with what's been going on in this market. You can just imagine. Alrighty. Okay. 553 on SoFi now. 553. SoFi just climbed another 3 cents, a little higher. Low of the day, 521, and that was around 2 o'clock this afternoon-ish. And now they're back to 553. So a 32-cent recovery so far, with we're still down 56 on the session. Drew, good at number 80, thumbs up. Good afternoon, Bagelers. Right on. There you have it. And we're up 197 on Tesla. Apple down 199. Now under $2 on the loss. Unity down only 47. It's still coming on. Dow's off 255. It would appear it might be improving again on another little buy wave. Okay, we'll see how these go as this last hour comes in. Yep, 42-point drop on S&P, down 1.09%. The Dow's down 0.91. NASDAQ down 1.5%. Oil up 82 cents. There you are. And a good afternoon, everybody. And thanks for being here. It's great to have you here. Welcome to Friday. Yeehaw, we say. What can I say? There we are. There we go. Okay, staying on top of all this news. 42 minutes to go. Okay, I have an announcement to make. I'm gonna tell you now, so that I'll give you some time to react to it. So I have been I've been going live every day, Monday to Friday, twice a day, for 2 large shows, my morning show and my late show. And I added my Gold Bagel member alert show earlier at 8 o'clock, roughly 8 o'clock every morning Eastern time. Then as you know, I go live at 8:30 every day Eastern time, which is 5:30 here. And then 3 o'clock Eastern time. I also do the Wednesday night primetime live show for Gold Bagel members. So I'm going to make a change on my on my live show schedule, and the reasoning is I'm exhausted. That's it. I'm pretty well tired, and I need to be fresh because I'm having trouble staying awake most days. So what's going on is I've decided to stop doing the afternoon show, the final hour show. This one. I'm not going to do it every day anymore. What's going to happen is I'm going to do my morning shows, my Trade Alert show, my 8:30 show, and then I'm going to offer one-on-ones Monday to Friday during market hours, starting at Eastern time, noon Eastern. So from noon to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, in that kind of window. Um, I would theoretically offer 3 live shows a day, although I doubt very much there will be demand for 3 live one-on-ones every day. And I don't know if I can, hopefully I could squeeze everybody in within an hour. It might be a bit difficult, but I'm going to give that a try. What I'm going to offer is, if you want to have a live one-on-one starting Monday next week, the cost for a one-on-one, if you're a Gold Bagel member, is $375. So I normally charge $400 to do a live one-on-one. If you're a Gold Bagel member, you get $25 off, because that is the cost of your membership of this channel. And as a perk to the Gold Bagel members, who are the biggest supporters of this channel, you get a $25 off a one-on-one session. What I will be doing is I will be likely adding videos during that off time. If I'm not scheduled to do any live one-on-ones, then I will likely crank out a video that I will pop up on this channel to basically cover the show or cover what's going on. But I also reserve the right to go live at any time, depending on market conditions. On a day like today, I would be doing this last hour show. I would be alerting you guys, an hour before I even go live, that I'm going to go live at 3 o'clock Eastern for the final hour, because of what's happening today with the shenanigans and everything else. But on a typical day, I will be leaving my schedule open Monday to Fridays in the afternoons to either do one-on-ones or just get some sleep and just get some rest. And that's essentially the thought here about what I'm doing. I wanted to. I've been thinking about this now for weeks and weeks, and I've been wondering just kind of what's going on here. Let me just catch up some comments. Brian, I bought some GameStop at 1703. Bargoons. Christina, what did you do? Christina, bought back my 27 GameStop 1625s for $373. I originally got $515. Then I sold 27 $15 strike, expires September 15. I got $464. Took that money and bought SoFi. Good move or too risky? Also, I didn't write in SoFi. I like this move. I just do. I think it's great. Coyote, Christina, good move there. Christina, I think SoFi is too low to do a write. I agree with that. I wouldn't write on SoFi right now. I'd be cleaning them up. If you can buy back the calls you wrote earlier this week, last week, for 130, 35, 140, and you can buy them back here in the 75, 80 range, great. If not, don't worry about it. Just sit tight. Let's see what happens. Brian, Christina, that is a good trade, making money. Splair, you said no bad news, Uncle Bruce, but I can understand you on the other side. What's the last hour of the last Friday and Monday? Maria Powell, good trade. Christina, Wing Commander, good for you. Uncle Bruce, can't run yourself into the ground. Alberto, Christina, nice move. And yes, SoFi premiums are not worth the right now. Splair, let's see, Alberta, never mind. Hawkeye, do what you need to do for self-care. We want you well. Zach, you have to take care of yourself above all, Uncle Bruce. I think that it's a wise move, and we're all here to benefit from your wisdom and everything else. Thank you, everybody. Like I said, I'm going to, I'll still do the early shows because I can't sleep in. I wake up. Sometimes it's hard to wake up at 3:30, but most days I'm ready to go. So I'll be doing my early alert, the Gold Bagel Trade Alert show. I'll do the 8:30 show until about 10:30, 10:45, depending on the market. And then from Monday to Friday, I will be offering one-on-ones, and they will begin at noon Eastern for anyone that's interested. Noon Eastern, 1 Eastern, or 2 Eastern time, 1 hour each. And if you're a Gold Bagel member, you can get a one-on-one for a $25 discount from the regular $400 one hour session. So if you have some pressing trades or info you want to go over, and you can't see me on weekends, you can't do it on Sundays. I know there's some of you cannot see me on Sundays. Monday to Friday, pick your spot, and we'll just write you up. I'll schedule you in when you like, and then we'll do it. Wednesday night prime time is on at 8 o'clock Eastern time for Gold Bagel members. Absolutely, that continues. There's no change there. So for Gold Bagel members, your Bagel Alert show in the morning, your Wednesday night primetime with Uncle Bruce is locked in. The early show every day is locked in when we get the pre-market and the market. The afternoon show is the one that I'm going to phase out. Today is going to be the last scheduled show for this. And starting on Monday going forward, the only time I'll go live in the afternoon is if something really is breaking out and there's something goofy going on. I'll come in and I'll just start broadcasting, and you guys will get alerts and you'll know to join me. So that's basically what it is. Maria, seems like a good move. Uncle Bruce, got to have some quality of life. Nick, afternoon show seems pretty slow most days anyway. Christina, lately I've loved the pre-alert, and it feels like we're getting a little extra. Wing Commander, sign me up, Uncle Bruce. Right on. So that's what's going on there. I've talked to Jen about it for weeks. We've gone back and forth and back and forth. And we just, we know that we're here to the end of April here in Palm Desert. Then in May, we're theoretically back in Calgary, and we don't know for how long, and we don't know where we're headed next because we're nomads. We really don't know what's next. Right now, it's all about, as you know, Jen's health, and things are going well, and we're going to keep it going. So there you are. Let's see. Christina, honestly, for us Goldies, we aren't seeing too much change. The afternoon is just like a social. I like the Wednesday and early morning. Home skill at 91, very interesting. Market watch headline, SVP. Alberto, whatever it takes to keep you healthy, Uncle, you will be missed though. Splair, I love the afternoon day occasionally to review the day, at least during the start and end of the week. It was helpful, especially now the Fridays at the end. Bobby, my son copied my SoFi right for the 10s last week. Today, I said you made $60 to buy more SoFi with it. He looked up and blinked. I made $60 for doing nothing. Hector Ungerwas, I could envisage this change coming. Make this change to preserve your health and your quality of life. You have great value to me, and I appreciate the 20 months I've had with you. Alex, good move, Bruce. I totally support this change. JR, glad to hear you are taking care of your physical and mental health. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. We're down 320, by the way, on the Dow. GameStop down 27 here at 1725. The First Republic Bank is sitting at 81.10, down 14.91. SoFi 551, down 58. Tesla is up 135. Apple up 236, and Unity up down 58 cents at the moment. HBQ down 41. ATIP is at 28.8, down 1.8 cents. Google down 138, and Moderna is still up, but only 78 cents. Cisco's down 32, Pfizer up 2, IBM down 17 right now. All right. Let's see here. Manager number 95, thumbs up. Thank you, sir. BW Uncle Bruce, 5 days a week for 2 years, excluding holidays and EU travel. You deserve all the time off you want. You've built a following that has the skills to handle ourselves till you're needed. Godspeed on this. BW, FYI, thanks for the postcard, by the way. You got it. Great. Rolo, good for you, Uncle B. DQ, don't blame you at all, Uncle B. Christina, you should do random Gold Bagel member Q&A on the weekends. Cindy B, I am truly surprised how you have never taken even one sick day. You are a loyal YouTuber. Brett Manager, I closed all of my 3010 SoFi and bought some more SoFi on long. Now hold 309,000. We'll be adding more when I'm out of my Netflix short by next week when it's down below 280. Way to go, Manager. Good job there. Credit Savage, good for you, Uncle B. Don't run yourself into the ground. This way you can have some real vacations with Andy Jen. I think the kids will be okay. There you go. Well, every morning you guys can, plot your strategies with me. And if you have any of you want to have a one-on-one from Monday to Friday, just let me know and we'll just, book you in. and that way I can do those with you. And again, Sunday one-on-ones. If anyone wants to do a Sunday one-on-one, just give me a shout, let me know, and we'll see what we can put together for you. And there you go. And like I say, you guys are going to make, I hope, a ton of money going forward here. Class number 15 is under construction. I'm not ready yet. I need also energy for that. So I'm working on bringing class 15 to the party. And this is part of that, strategy as well. So it gives me a little more time to be awake and work on that. Just want to make sure SoFi's not going bankrupt, right? Yeah, they're not going bankrupt. White Feather, enjoy the time off is certainly well deserved. I think I know that this channel really could use videos. This channel cannot expand and grow with just the 2 live shows and no videos. If I had extra energy to do extra videos, then great. But videos take hours, and I need to have the energy to be able to efficiently tackle a video from beginning to end, get the job done, get it posted, put it out there, and then try to attract viewers that don't know anything about this channel. And so I have a lot of additional work yet to do here as well. Let's see. Wing Commander. Okay, I'll get to that in a minute. Wing Commander, to be honest, it has been exhausting on me as well trying to work, raise a kid, and keeping up with you, Uncle Bruce. I'm surprised you were going to offer midday one-on-ones and not have your nap. Oh, I'll have a nap. It's right after the morning show. I'll have the nap, but then I'll get ready to do one-on-ones. Brian, yes, you deserve a break in the PMs. You have taught us loads. Maybe one day I can take all of my afternoon off, too, from your passed on wisdom. Bobby, videos need whiteboards. Options, Nomad. Sounds like a good change. What kind of advance notice would you like for these weekday one-on-ones? Could we schedule a same-day call if something comes up that we want to input on? Yes, you just send me an email anytime. The links are always down below. Just say, Bruce, I'd like to have a one-on-one today. Can I have a one-on-one? And you just tell me which one you want. Do you want one from 12, 1 or 2 in the afternoon, from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, or 2 to 3 Eastern time? Let me know which one you like. I'll remind you all in the morning shows about that. Debbie Manuel, you'll always be missed, Bruce. Please enjoy all of your time with your lovely Jen. Love you both. Thank you, Debbie Manuel. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing the morning shows and taking the afternoon shows off the schedule, replacing it with one-on-ones and perhaps some video work and more research time. So I won't be far. I won't be far away. Not a lurker anymore. Good for you, Uncle B. Rest up. The 1 hour before opening is the best. We will get better rants. That's a plus. Alberto, Tio, I sent for a 1/2 of a Credit Savages one-on-one for his advice on A1. Okay, so I got this donation here on PayPal, and it's Alberto. This is for Credit Savages one-on-one. I am paying for half due to his advice on our AI. Thank you, Uncle. Okay, so there you go. So Credit Savage will contact me for the other one. Okay, I got it. All right, fair enough. It takes me a while, but I will figure it out. It's Credit Savage. You let me know when you're ready and when and what, and we'll figure it out with you. Alberto, I got it. Way to go, buddy. Way to go. Nick, maybe you could take 10-minute snippets from your classes to make into videos for the channel. Smoke Dog, I missed the announcements, though. What's the news? The news is that I will do the morning alert show for Bagel members, as always, the 8 o'clock roughly in the morning time. I will be live every morning, as I always am, starting at 8:30 Eastern. For the first hour of trading. But the afternoon show, this is the last one that I'm going to do for a while. And I'm going to replace the afternoon show with an offer to the viewers for one-on-one consultations Monday to Friday between 12 noon and 2, from 12 to 3. So in other words, a 1 hour consultation, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, or 2 to 3. And if you're a Gold Bagel member, you can do a one-on-one for $375 versus $400, which is equal to your Gold Bagel monthly membership. So it in effect gives you that as one. Okay, that's what's going on. That's the big announcement anyway. Let's see. Merco bought back 5 HPQ 27s for May with just 80 cents profit, but rolled into 28s for August for another 30 cents. So I made $1.10 and also raised the strike $1. Now that's $2.10. Now you're talking. Right on. Jay Albans, that's awesome. I need the extra time to fix my mistakes. I can't concentrate with you yapping in the afternoon. Christina, does Jen approve of extra time with you, or will she create her own channel to avoid you? Laughing out loud. If she does, you better serve her bagels. Smoke Dog. Oh, that stinks. I listen more often on my drive home. I'm usually in work by 7 a.m. Eastern time. And the Credit Savage today was crazy. All that SoFi stink bids triggered. I got 100 at 561, 100 at 551, 100 at 541. I got 100 at 531. Wow. By the way, did I mention I closed my January 24 positions? I made $2,000 by going on margin. Will now wait. There you go. Untamed Viking, take care of yourself. Uncle B, I understand exhaustion. Between my job, gave development business, a YouTube channel from work, and Uncle was, I run 7 days a week, 100 plus hours, but thanks to you, I can get rid of my job. Right on. DQ, Smoke Dog, that's your whole plan? No power hour show? That's your whole plan. The whole plan. DQ, that's your whole plan? No power? That's your plan, says DQ. Credit Service, thanks, Bertie. I'm glad my research has paid off. Not just me, but all tech folks on here have paid attention and have the same vision I do. I spent hours researching and it paid off. Flint Creek, okay, once a day is better than no days. Happy for you. Lorraine, Uncle Bruce, you will be back. You miss us. Deep Value, BBBY up 10%. Alberto, the Credit Savage, absolutely enjoy the one-on-one. DQ, Power Hour with Jen Frommert. Option Nomads, do what you got to do, Uncle B. It's important to take care of yourself and listen to what your body is needing. Nick DeMaurier, Christina, can't wait to subscribe to Curling with Auntie Jen. Flint Creek, short informative videos would be great marketing. Not a lurker anymore. DQ Power Hour with Auntie Jen. Smoke Dog, maybe just a Friday afternoon wrap-up show, please. Wing Commander, I'm here for the rants anyway. The more I listen, the madder I get. I can't even imagine how my 1-year-old will turn out. Right on. We're down 374 here with 23 minutes left. We're GameStop down 41 cents at 17.11. We're down 15 on that. First Republic Bank at 80.61. SoFi 550 down 59. Tesla up 97 cents. Apple down 254 and Unity down 61 cents. Jim Stevens Friday libation show. Not a lurker anymore. The rants are the best. More rants, Uncle Bruce, please. More rants. HPQ down 48. ATIP down 1.8 cents. Google down 153. Moderna is up 39 cents. Cisco down 31. Pfizer down 4. The IBM is off 32 cents. Microsoft down 381. That's what we're watching there right now. Bed Bath Beyond up 12.5 cents to 135. They must be laying off more people. I don't know. It just makes you wonder. Fridays with Yoko. Smoke Dog's wondering. Flint, 70 million SoFi trades today. Wow. Can we run up a little now, please? Would be nice, wouldn't it? I'm ready for it. Please bring it on. Indeed. Okay, now I got another donation. What was this? Anton. Okay, note from Anton. It's a date then. I need help. All right, Anton. We'll get you slotted in. You just let me know when you want one. When do you want a slot? Just let me know, and we'll reserve an hour for you. I'll figure that out. All right. Let's see what else is going on. Okay, we got that over there. You probably would believe how much junk mail I get. You probably would believe how much I get. It is unbelievable. Okay, let's see. DQ says, Alexa, play Yoko. Zach, GameStop was climbing the stairs and just tripped and fell. Alberto, gotta go Bagel Familia. Thanks, Uncle. As soon as I get some time, I want a one-on-one, not for a class, just so we can drink and chill. Zach, later, Alberto, Zach, take care and have a great weekend. Monday morning, Alberto. Don't miss it. Blair, probably a good running gag if you start doing well with little videos, 15 minutes live of talking to Jen's hand about the market. Smoke Dog, any word why Spire has literally been flat since 11? No word at all. Christina, I also rolled my Tesla 160s, 721s that I got 5,400 for it for 3,470. Then I resold a 160 for December for 42.45. Giddy up. Splair, Alberto, enjoy the weekend already. DQ 1-on-1. White Feather, have a good weekend, Alberto. Lorraine, I usually have an online class starting at 3 p.m. This will free me up. You dropped the bomb on Friday evening, just like the rest. Home skill. The banking sector is in for some serious challenges, averaging down on SoFi next week. DQ 1-on-1 from the hot tub with Uncle Bruce. Not a worker anymore. DQ. Zach. DQ. I second that one. There you go. 1-on-1 from the hot tub, indeed. We're down 392 on the Dow with 20 minutes to go. GameStop is down 39 cents at 17.14. We're at 81.46 on the First Republic Bank here, still down 14.55. SoFi 550, down 59 cents. Tesla up just a nickel now, just a nickel. Apple is down 277. Unity is down 72 cents. And happy Friday, all, from Larry Titus, number 116. Larry, you're here. I hope dentist went well for you. I hope you're getting better. Nice to have you here, buddy. All righty. All right, for those of you who are just joining me, or you haven't heard the news, the announcement today about my channel is that I am going to drop the regularly scheduled afternoon show. This show, the one I'm doing right now, from 3 to roughly 4, the final hour of trading. This show is going to be dropped from my schedule. I will be doing everything else. My Gold Bagel Trader Alert show in the morning, the 8:30 to 10:30 first hour trading show, the Wednesday night prime time with Uncle Bruce for Gold Bagel members, that stays. But now I will offer Monday to Friday 1 hour get-togethers, one-on-ones from noon to 1 Eastern time, 1 to 2 Eastern time, or 2 to 3 Eastern time. Your choice. If you want to book one of these, you can book them the day of the show. If there's an opening, it doesn't matter. And if there is a major story happening in the markets, I will go live at any time. You never know. And it might be the final hour of trading. I might go live 20 minutes to go and stay on for 20 minutes after. I might go live an hour and a half after I went off the air. And more. You never know when that happens. There's nothing scheduled there. That is just how the market is. And that gives me maximum flexibility to come on whenever it's necessary. So keep your eyes peeled on the channel, as you are anyway. Uncle Bruce, per my shared email, I bought back my SoFi with the stocks I received from the premium. Made 1,000. Thank you. I can rewrite again. Yes, sir. Wait for a little recovery and bingo. You got it. Alberta DQ. See you on the Discord. Laugh now, DQ. Why are we watching First Republic Bank? I'm keeping an eye on it because it was off down to $45 this morning. There were rumors that it was in trouble. I was keeping an eye on the banking situation. The stock is now $82.82, down only $13. It looks like crisis averted. And this is not a contagion problem in the banking sector. That's what I was watching for. I'm also watching First Republic and, of course, Goldman and the others, and SoFi to see when will the bank stocks begin their recovery again, because this drop in SoFi is not warranted. It's just a vortex. It got caught in the draft and went down to 521, and now we're back to 551 on SoFi. That's why I'm watching First Republic. I'm just going to keep an eye on it for a day or two, see what happens. Not a lurker, Alberto. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Zeta State, 117 thumbs ups. Not a lurker, Alberto, unless you are on Discord laughing out loud. Alberto, see ya. Not a lurker. Get that money. Oscar, number 118. Christina, news alerts got delisted from 3 to 4. Jim Stevens, classic Friday news dump. There you go. Just like the politicians, they do that same thing. Cheers, everybody. There we are. We're down 433 with 16 minutes to go in the session here on the Dow. We're down 66 on S&P. NASDAQ down 228. And that's what's going on. If a day like today were happening 3 weeks from now, I would be live in the last hour. You'd know it. I might even be live earlier than the last hour for a while. So these kinds of days where there's all kinds of activity and there's all kinds of stuff going on, you can count on it that I will be live, and you guys can join me for that. You just have to be on the lookout for my alerts. That's all, because I will do the alerts like I always do. So anything major going on, you're not going to miss me on that. I'll be on that story. And today it's something to really watch with this bank folding up. Anyway, there you go. Larry, my dumb, complicated teeth. I have 3 more dental appointments before the end of the month. Oh man. JR, oh man, Larry, that sucks. Zach, Larry, dang man, sorry to hear that. Hope all works for you. Susan, number 119, Bruce. DQ, Christina, he's not delisted, he's just halted. Bobby, off to the cash gig. Have a great weekend, everybody. You too, Bobby. Manager, now I have a 310,000 SoFi. Come on, Netflix, let me get out so I can buy my beloved SoFi. Lorraine, Larry, I think I did the jinx by ringing the bell this morning. We're down 435 on the session. GameStop 1720, SoFi 552 right now. Let's see. Credit Savage, Uncle Bruce. My AI 20 and 22.5 covered calls are 50 and 60% profitable right now. They expire on April 21st. Should I buy back today or wait to see what next week has in store? The stock's at 21.20. Oh, you're right in the zone there. I don't know. You've got time, right? They expire April, so you don't have to do anything. You're not up against the wall here. Time is your ally, and if these shares are going to continue to drift along here, you have nothing to hurry about. There's no need to. Theoretically, you could write further out in time, but you don't actually have to right now. So I'd be just sitting tight, I think. Lorraine is the new, not Larry Titus. Not a lurker anymore. Lorraine, congrats. Nick, I'm so happy I found this channel. This is set up to be my best month option writing yet, and it's only day 10. Way to go, Nick. Not Lorraine. Larry Titus, yeah, she is. BW, with Astra Space investigating potential illegal short selling and share intel to assist with its review of suspicious, aberrant, or unusual trading activity. ATIP, Inspire, or other SPACs in similar. I don't know. Yeah, this I can't answer. Zach is doing something. Christine, if it's a nothing burger, we won't see Uncle B. That if it's a nothing burger, yeah, you won't see. Does the third Friday count as an important show? I'm not a lurker anymore. Wait, I'm confused. The Credit Savage, these AI cover calls were rollovered already, and I received around $6 for the 2250s and $7 for the 20s when combining premium and rollover profit. I have no problem being taken out. So either way, it's okay. I'm okay here. I'm good. Nice going. White Feather, Larry Titus, just get some of them fancy store-bought teeth right there. Splair, yeah, since tax loss selling in the month is really helpful for option writing. DQ, Uncle Bruce, how do you feel about Monday? Oversold rally or continue that carnage? Well, we're going to find out. I'll be on the air with you first thing. We'll see what happens together. It all depends on just what's coming up. So much to follow here. Zed, Uncle Bruce, why not charge an extra $5 for an afternoon show? That should offset the one-on-one, don't you think? Yeah, I should do an afternoon show that you want to come in. It's $20 each just for one show. How about that? No, I don't think I'll do that. Nick, wait, if we only do the most exciting afternoons, then what will happen to story time with Uncle Bruce? Larry, White Feather, yes, I'm running out of real ones, sadly. Chiclets are a lot cheaper, I'll tell you. We're down to 12 minutes to go. Down 450 on the Dow. We're still slumping here. 1720 on GameStop, down 33 cents. The First Republic Bank is still sitting at 82.60. It's kind of hanging in there. SoFi 550 doesn't want to budge higher. Tesla down 23 cents now, 172.69. Apple down 293. Unity down 76 cents. HPQ is down 54, ATIP down 1.8, Google down 177, Moderna is up a nickel, but just a nickel. Cisco down 40, Pfizer off 19, IBM off 81, Microsoft down 450, ME half a penny lower, Matterport down 13 and a half. Cyxtera is off 11 and a half cents, Rocket Lab down 18, SmartRent down 23 cents. Spire unchanged, Bed Bath Beyond at 132 and a half, up 9 and a half cents. Amazon down 186, Home Depot down 270, Netflix down 667 to 291.11. The Vanik Semiconductor ETF down 433, Adobe down 960. Goldman Sachs down 1546. Down 1165. Okay, hang on. I don't know what's real now because we got a glitch in my thing. So stand by, everybody. SoFi 550 at the moment, down 59 cents. The Dow off 444. All right. Let's see what we have here on this market. Yeah, we got a glitch going on over there. Let me whip over to here, pop up to there. And according to CNBC, we're down 436. That is correct. S&P off 66 points. NASDAQ down 230. NASDAQ's down 2% again. S&P down 1.75, and the Dow's down 1.3%. The VIX is up 340 or 15% to 26, and that is showing concern is rising among the traders out there. And that's typical, to be expected with the week we've had, for sure. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if you heard or not, but the FAA has cleared Boeing to resume 787 deliveries. That's back on again. We're down to 9 minutes to go, by the way. Last 9 minutes. Okay. Okay, here we go. 95% of SVC deposits or SVB deposits were above 250,000. So uninsured, yikes. Christina, if we are looking to cut some airtime, can I recommend whatever time you eat your bagel? I'm okay with never listening to that again, laughing out loud. Chris, Uncle Bruce, do you have time tomorrow? I have a slot open for a one-on-one tomorrow, Saturday. You want to get together Saturday? Send me a private email. Let me know what time you want, and I'll see what I can do. Maybe we can work something else. Isn't Storytime with Uncle Bruce a part of Monday's Traveling with Uncle Bruce show as well? Yeah, those are still on. Traveling with Bruce, there's 2 shows are still on Mondays. So I go from 5 shows to 4 on Mondays. Mandu, number 124, thumbs up. BW, do you think, based on the banks today, First Republic Bank, some others may be teetering till the closing bell, trying to live another day, or more news over the weekend that others are going to timber? I don't know. I haven't heard of widespread issues elsewhere, but we don't know. It's these small regionals, but we're not. I don't talk to you guys about small regional banks. SoFi is not a small regional bank, so there you go. Matthew, I have covered calls on everything. If more banks fail and the Fed does a 50% basis point hike, the market's going to fall hard. Number 123, good afternoon, folks. White Feather, have a great weekend. Uncle Bruce, Antigen, and everybody. Manager, Uncle Bruce, do you know how much debt China holds? Is it $3 trillion? I don't know how much they have. Sean and Wendy, Uncle Bruce, we are so glad you will have more time to spend with Auntie Jen and Auntie Jen Jr. Sean and I thought you would take more time off. Thanks for all the help over the years, and we will be on when you are on. Thank you, guys. Matthew, Market Watch did an article on possible bank that could fail. Jim Stevens, Christina, not a fan of mukbang. I don't know what that means. Coyote, it does have me a bit nervous how it came out of nowhere so quickly. Credit Savage, perfect. I'll talk to the wife and see how we will Chain our 3 crids in the basement, and what time works best? I'm thinking morning would work best, but I'll write you. Okay, manager Uncle Bruce, what could happen if China dumps U.S. dollar? I mean, sell T-bills that they hold. Would that be possible? I can't go there. I'm too tired. Slayer, I will definitely miss you all during a lot of the afternoon soon, says Slayer. Well, that makes the morning show even more important. There you have it. We're down 371 on the Dow. GameStop down 27 cents at 17.25. SoFi 552. That's it. That's where we're at right now. There you go. Okay, we got 6 minutes left in our session right now. Thank you all for joining me this afternoon. And let's see how we close this thing out. Tesla's positive again. It's up 42 now. In the green. GameStop 17.25, down 27 cents. Not a bad day. Dow off 389, and S&P down 58, and NASDAQ down 208. There you have it. Home Skillet, quality over quantity, Uncle Bruce. As always, appreciate all you do. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate that. And let's see what happens with this final few minutes. And Monday morning will be on, as usual, on the pre-alert show for Gold Bagel members. The show at 8:30 till 10:30, as always. And we'll get that market started and see who wants to do one-on-ones Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, whatever you like. We'll figure it out. That's what we'll do. Yeah. Okay, Brian, I think we need a good knee to close out the day for Uncle B. That's what we got to do right at the bell. We got to have a knee attack right at the bell here today. 393 downside dip right now. 62-point drop on S&P, NASDAQ down 218. Anyway, there you go. Let's see. Lots of fallout from this SVB bank thing. That we'll be hearing a lot about this Silicon Valley bank story going forward. Lots and lots. Zed is coming in early. Neat. Maria, thanks, Uncle Bruce. Have a great weekend. Neat. Home Skillet's coming in with a knee attack. Manager, there was a ban placed for China entities from buying U.S. agricultural land in Feb 23. So Chinese millionaires cannot buy property in the U.S. Have you heard of it? No, have not heard of it. I've not heard that news. And Brian, at the bell, haha, we have 4 minutes. It's true. We have 4 minutes. 398 down dip on the Dow right now. Let's see. There's a lot of bargain hunting going on with regards to bank stocks. There's bargain hunters looking for stocks depressed too much. They're jumping in. SoFi now 553. I don't know if that's one of them, but we were 521. We're now 553 on SoFi. Let's see here. Zach, thanks to the dip on GameStop today, I was able to get my first deep in the money call. I grabbed a 10 Jan 25 for 855. Can I get a welcome to the party, pal? Well done. Welcome to the party, pal. Nice going. Zed Estate, what are we going to do Monday for the last hour? Mandu, neat. Christina, we haven't mentioned that SoFi will be on the SSR on Monday because it dropped more than 10% at one point today. That's true. Matthew, have a good day, folks. See everyone Monday morning. You got it, Matthew. Neat indeed. Coyote Zach, welcome to the party, pal. There you go. Good stuff. 1726 on GameStop, down 24 cents. SoFi 554, down 55 cents. Tesla up 53. Apple down 207. Unity down 61 cents at the moment. 357 drop on the Dow. A little tiny bit better with 2 minutes to go. Don't read too much into this. We'll see how things trade on Monday morning and, of course, in the pre-market Monday and all that good stuff. I'll be on watching that as always. Make sure to join me for that. Manager, I hate Saturdays and Sundays. They should have the trading on for at least half a day, man. Zach, Coyote, and Stockmars with Bruce. Thanks, guys. You got it, Zach. Keep it going. 1728 on GameStop, down 24 cents. We've got the 556 on SoFi, another penny or two higher. down 53 cents. SoFi just a little bit better. And we're down to a minute or so to go or so. Yep, last minute. JJ just tuned in. What did I miss? Oh, nothing. There's nothing going on. Absolutely. There's nothing happening other than watching the rerun. You have nothing to worry about. It's all fine. Tesla up 61 cents. SoFi 558. Another couple of pennies higher on SoFi. 558 now. GameStop 1724. We're in the last minute. Yay, my stinkers triggered for charge point 100 at 9:55. Zeta State. Larry Titus will Larry be ringing the bells on Monday at the close? And not a lurker anyway. Oh man, dying again. Nothing to see here. Spare, you all take a good break during the week. In the next 2 weeks will get interesting before GameStop earnings are finished at the end of the earnings season. Spare, you take care. Have a great weekend, buddy, in Dortmund. Down 330 on the Dow, it would appear. I'm not sure. We're back to 550 on SoFi again. 557 here. I think we're at 557 on SoFi, actually. 558 on SoFi. We're going higher. And we're done. I think we're finished. Do you miss trading, Uncle Bruce? Think you'd be killing it in these markets if you were behind the desk. Larry Titus, thank you, my friend. No, I don't miss trading. I don't miss all that work. Christina, to fill you in, Uncle Bruce refuses to entertain us during Nothing Burger afternoon shows. If I need help ever condensing anything I need to say, I just got to contact Christina. Say, hey, Christina, can you condense this into one sentence for me? Credit Savage, all those electric cars people drive. ChargePoint will own 83% of the charging stations in the USA. Yay, manager, not bad. Good day for me today. Not a bad good day for me. Closed SoFi calls. X short, made some moolah, bought more SoFi. I can't complain. The Big E, neat. Larry Titus, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you may now neat to your heart's content. Neat. DQ, thank you, Lorraine. Christina, 558. That's right. John Anderson, neat. I go the ominous end to the week. Splair feels for sure like a decade would end now when the last official afternoon show. Not a lurker. Neat. A Splair, neat. Cindy B, if you are the Thinkorswim site at the bell, the bell actually rings and makes me jump every time. BW, Christina, awesome. Flint Creek, see y'all on Monday. I can't wait to write. Bama Babe, neat. Zach, neat. Coyote. Cindy B, I had to use Windows Sound Mixer to specify lower the TOS software bell for all my speakers. Flint Creek with the knee attack. Nick has got the knee attack going. Curtis Savage, wonderful week. I love this channel. Everyone is so happy and makes so much money on terrible days. Big difference between this channel and all the others. On green days, we're happy too. I love it. JJ, thanks for the recap. Christina, who cares? Says very happy for you, Uncle B. Home skillet. I'm laughing here. At least it's really perfectly fitted into one sentence from Christina. Not a lurker anymore. Is it Monday yet? Cindy B, I had to buy 100 SoFi at 550. BW Cindy B, yep, this is awesome. Clang. Bama Babe, oh no more late Friday libation parties with Uncle Bruce. AZ, one day I'll have to get that one-on-one so you can help my degenerate brain. Not a lurker. Christina's laughing out. Who cares? We'll miss the afternoon though, especially on Friday. There you go, everybody. Let's see if we can pop up some of the old knee emojis here. Here we go. Knee. The attack is on. Nick H, have a great weekend, folks. Thanks as always. Thank you. Splair, thanks for getting after Uncle Bruce and my lovely country bagels. Cindy B, Larry Titus, laughing out loud. Neat. DQ hint, if you do a one-on-one with Uncle Bruce, he sends you a recording of it, and then you can watch it every day at 3 o'clock Eastern time. Splair, neat. There you go, Chris Evans. We'll be seeing you tomorrow, Uncle Bruce. Have a great evening, folks. Who cares? Says the last of the afternoon needs not a lurker anymore. Well-deserved rest, Uncle B. AZ, really? Neat. Christina, nothing burger. Zach, neat. Too much fun, guys. Thank you so much. Man. All right. We'll see you Monday morning, and we will get together with some of you all week long during the day after the morning shows. Those of you who want to have one-on-ones with me Monday to Friday, you guys let me know. I'll be here. Larry, thank you for the knee emojis. Option Nomad, same thing. BW, all the noobs this week get to see the comments these Screens are up to making money with bagels stuffed in your face. Beat that meme, YouTubers. AZ, you can't leave yet. Uncle Bruce got to make this one count. Mirko, need all lurker need the laugh during the morning. Spare DQ would be helpful to catch in a one-on-one for every day of the week. DQ and a herring. Don't forget last afternoon. Home skillet. Brian, thanks for everything from the afternoon shows. It has been fun. See you Monday morning. DQ, Splair, TV Exactly Splair, so you can rewatch again and again a complete week. John Anderson, thank you, everybody. Not a lurker. BW laughing out loud. Thank you all for popping through. 558 last trade on SoFi. After hours, SoFi trading now is 560. Manager can't wait to write options again when SoFi goes back up. The question is when that will be. Credit Savage, we all should have bagels next Monday. Bama Babe, I'm going to have an afternoon withdrawals. I got to go to rehab here. Cindy B, you know how some dread Mondays. Not me. Splair, cheers, neat. There you go. Right on. 1730 up 6 cents on GameStop in the after hours. First Federal Bank 71.76 unchanged in the after hours on that one. And let's see, SoFi on the after hours, like we said, it's 560 right now, up a couple of cents. There you are, Brian. Uncle Celebrity. All right. Thank you all. All right. There it is. That is the story. Have a great weekend in the meantime, everybody. And I will catch up with you guys on Monday. You let me know, Credit Savage, what you want to do with a one-on-one. We'll see if we can get together through the weekend. Thank you to all of you for your support of this channel. Being members, renewing your membership, becoming Gold Bagel members, everything, donations and all that good stuff. Make a bunch of money, keep making bunches of money, and let's get together Monday morning and let's see if we just can get you richer. Why not? Let's do it. Not a lurker. Oh man, someone translate for the newbies. Constantine, thank you, Uncle Bruce. Have a good weekend, everybody. Splair, enjoy the weekend, y'all. Manager, so all people who had invested money in the bank are done? I don't know, manager. I don't know. We'll find out later. All right, guys, that's the story from here. Enjoy the weekend, and let's get together Monday, and let's see what's happening. BW, can I get the wife a Stock Markets with Bruce sports bra on Redbubble? I don't know about that. Christina, here in case you're a visual learner, Nothing Burger, not a lurker anymore. Discord is going to light up. DQ, and they just closed the bank until next week to stop a run on it. Home Skillet, Vicks looking spicy. See Uncle B, enjoy the weekend all. Brian, manager, well, they're covered up to 250 grand, anything above that. DQ, the state did that. Yes, there you have it. All right, that's it. Enjoy your weekend, everybody, and we'll see you first thing Monday morning. Rugman Bras, yoink! Oh, no. I'll talk to you on Monday morning, guys. We'll see you later. Bye for now.